Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making a chocolate cheesecake. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by putting the digestive biscuits in a sealable bag. Now wrap them in a tea towel and crush with a rolling pin. Melt the butter in the microwave on a low heat. Mix together the biscuit, melted butter and a small amount of the sugar. Pour the mixture into the bottom of a cake tin and press it down firm. Place in the fridge to set. Meanwhile, put a saucepan of water on a high heat to boil. Place a bowl on top but ensure the bottom doesn't touch the water. Add the chocolate and keep stirring until it's all melted. Once melted, remove from the heat. Take the cacao and add a roughly equal amount of hot water. Mix it together. Now whip the cream in a bowl until it's just started to thicken. Add the melted chocolate and cacao mix. Thoroughly stir everything together. Now mix together the cream cheese and sugar. Add this to the chocolate and mix everything together thoroughly. Remove the base from the fridge and pour the chocolate mix over the top. Return the cake to the fridge and leave it to set for at least an hour, but ideally overnight. Slice into generous portions and enjoy with cream, ice cream, fruit, or just on its own. The real challenge is having just one slice. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.